This is Urban Family Farming Community, your go-to YouTube channel for everything food and agriculture. We would like to welcome our esteemed viewers and guide you on the top crops to grow in June for a bountiful summer harvest. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, these crops will thrive and deliver delicious produce throughout the season. Let's start with vegetables. June is perfect for planting quick-growing, heat-loving varieties. Consider sowing beans and cucumbers. These veggies love the warmth and will provide abundant yields by midsummer. Don't forget sweet corn, which thrives in the summer heat and pairs perfectly with your backyard barbecues. For fruits, plant strawberries and blueberries, the quintessential summer fruits. If you have space, June is also an excellent time to plant watermelon. This juicy delight will sweeten your garden and your taste buds as it soaks up the sun. June is a fantastic month for herbs like basil and dill. These aromatic plants grow quickly and are perfect for adding fresh flavor to your meals. Basil loves the warmth and grows well in containers or garden beds, making it versatile for any gardening setup. To ensure your June crops thrive, consider these tips. Ensure consistent watering, especially during dry spells, as June can be hot and dry. Mulch your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep an eye out for pests and use natural deterrents like neem oil to protect your young crops. Get ready for a bountiful summer harvest with these June-friendly crops. With the right care and attention, your garden will burst with flavor and health, providing fresh produce for all your summer meals. Like, share and subscribe for more gardening insights. Let's get growing.